Welcome back to Bike Vibe, the channel where we dive into the wildest machines on two wheels, four wheels, and sometimes creations that push the entire definition of what a vehicle can be. So if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and buckle up, because today we're stepping into a world nobody expected. A world where Ferrari, yes Ferrari, has unleashed something so extreme that it almost feels like a concept sketch brought to life. This is the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, a luxury performance mansion on wheels engineered for those who want the speed of Maranello blended with the comfort of a 5-star suite in the presence of a superyacht rolling down the highway. And trust me, this thing is unlike anything you've seen on the road before, because Ferrari didn't just design another premium RV, they built what might be the world's first true hyper motorhome, a category of its own, crafted with aerospace engineering, race-inspired aerodynamics, and luxury detailing that would make both an F1 driver and a billionaire smile. So let's dive into what makes this beast so special, because it's not just about the badge, it's about the way Ferrari has redefined travel and mobility for the ultra-elite. From the moment you see the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome approaching, you feel the aura, the sharp lines, the sculpted air channels, the massive LED signature lights stretching across the front like a glowing visor. Everything screams performance, even though this is a 40-foot-long rolling palace. And with Ferrari's signature red paint echoing the same finish seen on the SF90 Stradale, you immediately understand that this is no ordinary camper. This is a statement of power and engineering dominance. And under the hood, well, if we even call it a hood on a motorhome, Ferrari has equipped a hybrid V8 powertrain with an estimated output of 850 horsepower, giving this massive machine acceleration that would embarrass most sports cars on the road. Imagine hitting the highway in something this huge and still feeling a surge that pushes you back into your seat like you're launching in a GT supercar. The chassis itself is a completely new architecture, built with carbon-reinforced aluminum panels, active suspension inspired by Ferrari's GT race program, and rear-wheel steering to help this giant move with agility that seems impossible for its size. And because of the hybrid system, the motorhome can glide silently through campgrounds or luxury resorts using only its electric motors, something Ferrari specifically designed to bring a sense of elegance and calm when not unleashing its monstrous V8. Now let's talk about the interior, because this is where Ferrari took things to a level that almost feels like a luxury penthouse on wheels. When the massive side slide-outs extend, you get a living space wider than most tiny homes, with Italian leather stitched by the same craftsmen who work on Ferrari's highest-end GT interiors, carbon fiber accents, glass panels with smart tint, and a ceiling design inspired by airflow patterns from Ferrari's wind tunnel tests. The entire interior feels futuristic yet warm, tech-driven but handcrafted, fast but peaceful, a perfect fusion of Ferrari's racing DNA and luxury ambitions. The main lounge features a 98-inch floating OLED entertainment panel, a voice-activated sound system tuned by Ferrari's in-house audio division, and seats that electronically adjust using biometric sensors to match your posture and comfort in real time. It's like sitting inside a $1 million living room that moves with the confidence of a supercar. And when it comes to the kitchen, Ferrari didn't hold back either, giving it a full induction cooking suite, marble-like composite counters, precision climate wine storage, and a dining setup that folds out from the wall with a single gesture using magnetic locking technology. Moving into the bedroom, you get a king-sized floating bed that uses Ferrari's active comfort suspension. Yes, the bed has its own suspension system, a panoramic glass wall that can shift from clear to frosted, and ambient lighting that mimics natural sunrise or sunset depending on the time of day, designed to keep travelers fully rested no matter how long the journey. The bathroom is equally insane, with heated stone-style flooring, rainfall shower with 5 programmable water modes, and a mirror with AI skin tone and lighting adjustments, turning the morning routine into a luxury spa experience. And let's not forget storage, because Ferrari integrated hidden compartments for luggage, gear, tools, and even a fold-out electric scooter system that charges while docked beneath the floor. But of course, all this Ferrari innovation comes with a Ferrari price, and the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome lands with an eye-watering starting price of $1.9 million for the base configuration and reaching well over $2.4 million for the fully loaded Performance Luxury Edition with custom paint, racing-inspired trim, and advanced autonomous driving upgrades, making it one of the most expensive motorhomes on the planet and easily the most exotic RV ever created. Ferrari says production numbers will be extremely limited, possibly only 40 to 50 units per year due to the massive amount of hand craftsmanship involved, meaning owning one isn't just about buying it, it's about being selected for the list, and that exclusivity alone will make this a rolling collectible for the ultra-wealthy. Driving the Ferrari Motorhome feels like piloting a luxury battleship with the soul of a race car. The digital cockpit features 3 curved displays, augmented reality windshield projection, radar-assisted side vision, and even a race mode that stiffens the suspension and increases throttle response for those open road stretches where you want to feel every heartbeat of the hybrid V8 surging behind you. And with Ferrari's latest stability systems, you get confidence and smoothness even at highway speeds that would terrify most RVs. So is the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome worth its unbelievable price? That depends on who you are. If you're looking for an RV to take to a normal campsite, this is far beyond what you need. But if you're a collector, an enthusiast of extreme luxury, or someone who wants a travel experience that feels like living inside a Ferrari supercar, then this motorhome becomes something much more than a vehicle. It becomes a lifestyle, a symbol, a moving masterpiece crafted for those who want the world to turn and stare as they roll by. And that wraps up today's deep dive into the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, the most outrageous blend of performance and luxury we've ever seen on Bike Vibe. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe for more insane machines, and drop a comment telling us what vehicle you want to see next, because this channel is all about bringing you the wildest rides on the planet. Thanks for watching Bike Vibe, and I'll see you in the next one.